his little rubber band. This is my first time cooking live lobster, and I think this is Dan's first time too. So, alright. And somehow, Wiggly here lost a claw. You can see why he's named Wiggly. But we'll boil his claw anyway. Alright. So, take the claw. I guess we'll stick that in there first. And then, ode to Bubbles. Night-night, Bubbles. Okay. Well, this one might be a little bit more difficult because he's alive. Okay, you can see how he's alive. I'll give you a favor and drop you head first. Bye-bye. Quick, get in there. Okay. Well, he's still moving. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Wiggles is still wiggling. But he's not screaming. He's not making any noise. So I guess it's a peaceful death. He's still moving.